Hi friends, hello everyone. So it's finally the time for me to have the lunch, the lemon rice and the papadam that I made. It's time for me to have taste it and give a review to that. And so here we are, the final step to have the lunch. So the lemon rice is here. I have not taken it, I have not shifted to another vessel or something. Our lemon rice is there. I'll just put it on my plate that I have. I'll just put it on the plate that I have. Wow, it looks good and smell is also awesome. This is the lemon rice. Yes, fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. It has turned out to be good. It has turned out to be good. That 50 gram I think is sufficient for that mug of rice that I had taken. Well, I'll taste it. Only then proper verdict can be given. A final verdict can be given. Well, this is a lemon rice that I have in my plate, and this is the lemon rice that I have in my plate, and I'll also have some pickle, the ready-made pickle that I bought from the market. So this is the same red chili pickle that I have. I'll have a little bit of pickle. So this is a normal ready-made pickle that you can get it from the market. Any pickle, whatever you like. So this is a pickle that I randomly took it, and I think it is good. It's tasting good. So here is the pickle, the rice, and where is the papadam? Where is the papadam? Papadam is also here. It's right there under my nose. Here is the papadam. The papadam is also here under my nose. So I'll have one papadam. And well then, once again, I wish myself all the best for the lemon rice lunch that I prepared. So it's time for me to taste it. Superb, superb. I have no words to express my happiness or the satisfaction that I have in preparing this lemon rice. This is my first attempt, and simply wonderful. I mean, this is super delicious. I have no words to express my happiness. Perfectly cooked, excellently made. The papadam, the chili achar. The red chili achar, papadam. I'm loving it. Rice has been made perfectly. I mean, once again, I've surprised myself. I didn't expect this will turn out to be so good, so good. It is damn delicious. It's too good. Initially, I was afraid that the ratio of that 50 gram ready-made lemon rice powder that I bought it from the market, the 50 gram lemon rice powder that I bought it from the market, that quantity and the quantity of rice that will be required to make the lemon rice with that powder, I was a little bit worried about that ratio, but fortunately everything has turned out to be so good. Everything has been turned out to be so good. It's perfectly fine. It is perfectly fine. That 50 gram of lemon rice powder is just sufficient for that big tumbler 1 cup rice perfectly, and that is exactly what you're seeing right now. It turned out to be super delicious. Too good, too good. I'm completely happy and completely satisfied. Beautifully the rice has come out. That 50 gram of ready-made lemon rice powder is perfectly sufficient for the quantity of rice I had taken in the tumbler. Initially, I had a little bit of apprehension in my mind whether that ratio of that powder and the rice will be correct or not. But as I said, fortunately, it has turned out to be too good, and it has been made perfectly. It has been made. It has come out to be perfect, just simply perfect, just perfect. And I'm enjoying it. And here I would also like to give a small information. This lemon rice which I have cooked right now is as per the request of few people that I received on posting my cooking series videos on my YouTube channel. So when I posted my initial cooking series, lockdown cooking series, that is that plain dal, plain rice and potato fry and all these things. So a couple of my friends came up and asked me to make an effort to try to make an effort to make the lemon rice. So this particular session is dedicated to all my those near and dear friends, those who requested me to make the lemon rice. So here this one is for those special friends of mine who had requested to make the lemon rice. Now, here I would like to say one more thing, that is, while making this lemon rice, I had used a ready-mix lemon rice powder. So this may not be available. I don't know. I mean, everywhere everything is available these days. In case if it is not available to you, if you are unable to buy it from the market, what we can do is, instead of if you don't get that ready-made lemon rice powder from the market, absolutely no problem. The best way and the only way that remains to make the lemon rice is that you take the lemon, you take the proper lemon. Say for this quantity of rice you will be requiring at least 2.5 lemon. So take that lemon, you cut it, get the juice out of it, get the lemon juice out of it, and while I prepared this, I put the chana dal, I put the urad dal, the what we call the red chili, I put the green chili, and then I was frying it in the pan with the ghee. At that time, you just switch off the stove and then pour the lemon juice into it. So at that time, you just switch off the stove, pour lemon juice into it, and add a little bit of turmeric powder. Again, it will be the same thing, and that curry again you can add it to your plain rice, and it will turn out to be other lemon rice. And I think that is far more meaningful, because here I've used what we call a ready-made powder. If you don't have it, no problem. Take for this quantity of rice, you will be requiring 2.5 lemons. So take that lemon, take out the juice, extract the juice from the lemon, and add it to that pan frying. While you are frying it, switch it off, and then add the lemon juice to that pan, and again switch it on and fry it, and add a little bit of turmeric powder, haldi powder, and that paste again you can put it in your rice and mix it, and again it becomes a lemon rice. So thank you once again. Thank you all for watching my video. And this time I made it with ready mix powder. Next time I'll make an effort to make the lemon rice, same lemon rice without the ready mix, by using the lemon. That effort also I'll make to make this lemon rice. So once again, thank you all for watching my videos and giving me wonderful feedbacks. And keep watching. I'll come up the next session with some new delicacy. Thank you once again. Thanks a lot. I'll continue having my lunch, and God bless you all.